Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday, November 13th, 2020. For your morning work today, you are going to turn in your book to the page that has the J on it and the word come. You're going to write your name like we always do first with a capital at the beginning, lowercase after that. You're going to trace your J, your uppercase J. You can put a hat on it, or you may not put a hat on it. I choose not to put a hat on my uppercase J's. And you're going to trace it and make 3 more. Trace your lowercase J, start on the dot, down into the worm line with a monkey tail, and put on your dot. Start on the dotted line, down into the worm line with a hook, and put on your dot. So you should have 3 more. You're going to circle your lowercase J's and all your uppercase J's. These pictures are, we're going to call that a jug, X-ray, jewel, jam. Okay, so we're going to call that a jug. Jug, X-ray, jewel, jam. And then we come down here and our words are, and you're going to color all the things up here, that say j at the beginning. Down here we have jam, kind of like this one right here. At, jet, jug, kind of like that one right there. So 2 pictures you can just look up here to help you with. So again, jam, jet, which is like an airplane, jug. Over here we have the word come, spelled C-O-M-E. All of these are little letters. They're under the dotted line. Trace the word C-O-M-E, come. Circle the vowels in the word come. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Circle which ones of these are vowels in this word. You're going to look here and see which letters are missing from this word come. Again, it's spelled up there. And this one has some missing letters as well. Fill them in to make each one say come. Then you're going to write come in the correct box here. Remember, it has 4 short letters. It will only fit into one of these boxes. And down here, you're going to circle all of the words that say come. When you're finished with your morning work, you're going to do your cue book. Remember, cue says qua. You write your name underneath. Here we have a queen. The front cover can be colored after you're all done with your work. We're going to trace our lowercase letter Q's with our rainbow writing. So remember, you write the letter, make a C circle, up, down with a monkey tail the other way. Each time you write the letter with your crayon, all the way on that letter, on that color, then the next color, and then the 3rd color. And then this one you're going to do down here with your pencil. Make a C, circle, connect up to the dotted line, down with a monkey tail. C, circle, connect up to the dotted line, down with a monkey tail, all the way across. Then we move over to our pictures. We're looking for words that start with Q that says qua. We have iguana, vest, vacuum, quarter, igloo, volcano, queen, ice cream, violin, quilt. Okay, then on the back you're going to circle with yellow and highlight all of the Q's, uppercase and lowercase. Don't get tricked by the ones that look like a P or just an O. Then you're going to trace your letter Q's. Remember, they start like an O, which starts like a letter C. You make a C, connect to make it an O, and make your line down to the bottom. Make a C, connect to make an O, line down to the bottom. Trace and then make 3 more. Lowercase, C, circle, connect up, down to the basement with a monkey tail. Start with the letter C, connect straight up, straight back down with a monkey tail. Trace this one and make 3 more. And then you're done with your cue book. Now we're going to move on to our writing in our September writing mats. You're going to flip all the way till you see the one that says I like to wear. And over here you'll see shorts, flip-flops, boots, jeans, hat, hoodie, which is like a sweatshirt. Okay, so I like to wear. Of course, we always write our name first, so we'll trace the letters. And remember, these letters go to the top, even though they did not make them go to the top. When you're tracing them, I would like for you to make them go to the top. I like space to space wear. Then you're going to put a finger space, and you're going to write my, M, and then Y is a basement letter. It looks like a V, and keep on going to make a Y. I like to wear my, and then you're going to choose one of these over here. If you have something different that you would like, you can have a grown-up help you write it. But if not, you can write shorts, flip-flops, boots, jeans, hat, hoodie. And you're going to need to write it on the next line because you're out of room. And then you're going to draw your picture. Don't forget to put a period at the end, boys and girls. All right, and the last thing in this video is our math. All right, and it says shapes, color by the code set 1. So of course we're going to write our name first, nice and neat on the lines. And remember, boys and girls, there are no letters that start on the bottom. So you should not be starting your letters on the bottom and going up. They always start from the top or near the middle and go down. Okay, so here we have a square, and it says that we're going to color all the squares red. So I'm going to get out my red crayon, and I'm going to color my squares red. And I'm going to color this crayon red so that I know that all my squares are red. And then I'm going to come through and color all of my squares red. I'm just going to do a couple to show you. Okay, the next one is a triangle, and it says blue. So I'm going to color my triangles up at the top. And I'm going to color the crayon so I know that my triangles are blue. And then I'm going to come through and color all my triangles. Triangles have 3 sides. They can be different lengths, but as long as they have 3 sides and 3 corners, that's what makes a triangle. Squares have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and 1, 2, 3, 4 corners. And all the sides are the same length. If they're not the same length, it might be a rectangle. Here I have a circle. Circles go round and round and round. And we're going to color our circles green. So I'm going to color my circle green and my crayon at the top green so that I know all of my circles are green. And then I'm going to come through and color all my circles green. Notice how I'm coloring it all the way in, staying inside the lines, doing my best shading, trying not to go outside the lines as best I can. When you get it all done, if you want to color the little boy, you may color the little boy. The next page is the same with different shapes. Okay, so we have yellow for our rectangles. Rectangles, of course you need to put your name first, boys and girls. Rectangles are yellow. They have 2 short sides and 2 long sides and 4 corners. So you would find the rectangles, even if they're standing a different direction, there still can be a rectangle. All right, and the next one is, let's count how many sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides on a hexagon. And 6 sides, we're gonna color orange. Oh, Mrs. Hans just made a mistake, boys and girls. That does not say orange, that says green. This is my orange one. I had my orange crayon all ready. So we know what we do when we make a mistake. We put an X on it with the right color so that we know it could be the right color. So all of our hexagons are gonna be green. 6 sides makes a hexagon, and they can be different lengths. So this one is a hexagon as well, even though it doesn't have the same size. Now we're going to use our orange crayon for triangles, and these are a different kind of triangle, but they're still a triangle because they have 3 sides. So here's our orange crayon for our triangles. All the triangles have 3 sides and 3 shapes, and you're going to finish all of this. And then after you're done, you're going to watch the social studies video for our American Symbols book. We're going to finish it today and put it together. Bye, boys and girls.